Hello, hello. This is Sharice with Widow's Cafe. I know it's been a minute. I've been pretty busy, but I did want to bring you guys this video. I've done a little bit of a pivot in my business, and mainly I work with small businesses right now to help them find grant funding or either pitch competitions that they can be in. And so that's what I'm spending most of my time on. I'm still on course for starting my graduate degree in January for mental health counseling. So that's been consuming me. But I wanted to send this video out. It's called Sliding versus Deciding, Interior and the Premarital Cohabitation Effect. And this came out in October 2006 by Family Relations, and it looks like it's the 55th copy. So basically what this is talking about is people that live together before they get married, or they may live together and never get married. And so the research shows that a person has a higher degree, or a couple, of getting divorced when they slide into living together versus actually taking time to make a decision. And I know that sliding in, that's how a lot of people get kind of tangled up, because you look up and either the man or the woman starts leaving clothing and shoes, and next thing you know, you're living with them and you don't even know, like, how did that happen? Well, it happened because you allowed it. That's how it happened. But you didn't put any thought into it, and it just shows that when this happens, it's a higher chance of getting divorced if the couple does get married versus, say, someone living together after they get engaged. So they get engaged, then they live together, then they get married. That couple is more likely to succeed versus a couple where you just look up and you've just been spending the night all this time and keeping your clothes over to their house. And it's like, okay, we're just going to do this. That doesn't work out so well a lot of times in the end. And the research also shows that couples that do that, at that point, they feel like they've put so much in, they can't back out. So, and especially like for a woman that, maybe she's looking at her friends getting married. And so it's kind of like, I need to do something. I want to have kids, that sort of thing. But deep in your heart, this is not the man for you. But you go through with it anyway. Those relationships a lot of times become problematic. They dissolve. They just don't work out. So that is really, the bottom line. Make sure that if you live with someone, that this is something you are conscious about. You know exactly what you're doing. You're both on the same page. And you both have the same goals. Because a lot of times when you just end up someplace, like you don't know how you got there, Well, you don't even have the same goals. You may not even know the person that well. So you don't know what their goals are. You just know you've upped and there you are. You're living together. So just be smart about it, because when kids are involved, that becomes a whole nother video. So you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you're doing well. God bless you. And please subscribe to the channel and check out my new website. It's Dupuy Consulting Group, LLC.com, and I'll leave the link. Take care. Bye-bye.